Today, we're making a protein-rich bean and spinach stew, perfect for building strength and preventing sarcopenia. Sarcopenia means gradual muscle loss as we age, but good nutrition can help keep muscles strong. Let's start with high-protein beans, fresh spinach, tomato, and olive oil, all packed with nutrients your muscles love. Heat olive oil, add garlic and onions, and sauté until golden and fragrant. Add tomatoes and a pinch of cumin, cook until soft and flavorful. Now add cooked beans and a little water, and let it simmer gently. Stir in spinach and cook until it just wilts, locking in all that iron and freshness. Add cooked quinoa or brown rice for balanced energy and complete protein. Finish with lemon juice and a sprinkle of paneer or tofu for extra calcium and strength. This delicious bean and spinach stew fuels your muscles, keeps you strong, and supports healthy aging.